Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the topic articles. So, in this video, we will have a look at what are articles and the various type of articles along with some examples so that you can come to know how can we use the articles. So, first of all, we will have a look at what are articles. An article refers to or points out a noun in a sentence, means and what is the job of an article or what does the article do is article basically refers to a noun. Article basically points out to some noun. As we have already learned about the nouns are the naming words that refers to the name of any person, place, animal or thing. So whenever we are going to talk about any person, the name of any person, any animal, any place or anything, always there is an article that refers to that noun. So, an article is a word that is used before a noun. Whenever we need to talk about or whenever we write any noun, so before that noun, we write an article. Means, firstly, we will write an article, and after that, we will write a noun, and that article will refer to that particular noun. Basically, there are three type of nouns. There are three nouns generally: a, an, and the. Three nouns are there: a, an, and the. So when we talk about the type of articles, there are two type of articles. One is the definite articles and the second one is the indefinite articles. So we will learn about both the type of articles in this video, the indefinite articles and the definite articles. First of all, we will learn about the indefinite articles. As we have learned that there are three articles: a, an, and the. So a and an, these are called as the indefinite articles. A and an are the indefinite articles, and when they are used, now we will learn about when the indefinite articles a and an are used. A and an are used when the noun is spoken about for the first time or to talk about a noun in general. Means when we are talking about something for the first time, like when we are talking about any noun for the very first time, for the beginning, like as I want to say, I want to tell you something, so I'm telling you for the first time, so then I may use a and an depending upon the noun that I am going to use. They are always used with the singular nouns like a and an. Whenever we are using a singular noun, always we will use a and an with that singular noun. With the plural nouns, we don't use the a and an. For example, like I have said that we use the articles a and an with the singular nouns. So for example, you can see a book, an elephant. A and an, that are both are used with the words book and elephant, and that are singular words. A is used. Now we will learn about, firstly we will learn about the usage of a. A is used before the words that begin with the consonant or a consonant sound. See students, it may be a consonant and it may be a consonant sound. As we all know what are consonants and vowels. In the English alphabet, there are a total of 26 letters, right? So among that 26 letters, 21 are the consonants and rest of the 5 are the vowels. Vowels are a, e, I, o, u. Apart from these 5, rest of the letters in the English alphabet, they are known as the consonants. So whenever there is any word, there is any noun that starts with the consonant or that is having a consonant sound, it depends. Like it may be a consonant, it may be starting with the consonant, or it may have a consonant sound. In both these two situations, we will use a with these kind of words. For example, a banana. Now banana is starting with the word b. As we know, b is a consonant, so we have put a in front of banana. Similarly, a monkey. A monkey. Now monkey starts with m, so m is a consonant, so we have placed a before monkey. Now in the next example, you can see a unicorn. As I have already told you that u is a vowel, a, e, I, o, u, right? But I have already told that a is used before the consonant sound. Now we can see the sound of the word unicorn. Unicorn is starting with the word u, but when we talk about the vowel, it is a, right? Like umbrella, it is a. The sound of vowel is a. It is written with the word u, but its sound is a, like we say an umbrella. So that is why we have written a unicorn over there, not an unicorn. Similarly, an is used before the words that begin with a vowel or a vowel sound, as we have already learned that whenever we need to write a noun that is starting with a consonant or a consonant sound, we will always use a in front of that. And whenever we are writing a word that is starting with the vowel or a vowel sound like a, an umbrella, so we will put an in front of that noun. For example, an elephant, an inkpot, an r. Like now in this example you can see r is the word that starts with h. As we know, h is not a vowel, h is a consonant, sorry. So but what is the sound of r? It is a e i o u, r. The sound of r, the sound of it is by starting with a, an r. So that is why we have placed an in front of r. Now we will fill in some blanks using the words a and an. Using the articles a and an, we are having some sentences with us. We will complete these sentences by using a or an. So first of all, we had dash nice breakfast today. So students, we have already learned that whenever there is a consonant or a consonant sound, we always place a in front of that. So in front of nice, it would be a. So we will write a here. In the first sentence, the answer is a. I am writing a here. Now in the second sentence, you can see I ate dash apple, dash idli and dash bowl of oats. A-E-I-O-U. Two words are starting with the vowel and one is starting with the consonant. So with the vowel words, we'll be writing an, and with the consonant, we'll be writing a. So a bowl of oats, and for apple and idli, we'll write both. We'll write and for both. Now here's so less space is there. So let me try to write it here. Yes, and we have written here. Now look at the sentence number 3. Rita ate dash orange and dash piece of toast with honey. Rita ate dash orange. Orange is starting with O, so answer would be an, as it is a vowel. And dash piece of toast. As we all know, piece starts with the letter P and P is a consonant, so answer would be A here. So we would be using A here. Papa had dash cup of coffee. A cup of coffee, as cup is starting with C, that is a consonant. Granny had dash dosa with chutney. Dosa, D, a dosa. She also had a glass of milk. A glass of milk, why? Because glass is starting with G, that is a consonant. So in this way we use the words, we use the articles a and an. As let me repeat, a is for consonant and the consonant sounds, and an is for vowel and the vowel sounds. Now we have already learnt about the indefinite articles. Two articles are there that are known as the indefinite articles. One is a and second one is an. We have already learnt about a and an in the previous slides. Now in this slide we will come to know about the definite article. So first of all, what is a definite article? Only one article is left, as I have already told you that there are three articles. One is a, second one is an, and the third one is the. So we have already learnt about a and an as the indefinite articles. The remaining one is the, so that is a definite article. Now the is used to talk about a specific noun, like when we are talking about something particular, so then we use the with that kind of noun. It may be used with both singular as well as plural. Like I've already told that for a and an there is specific case, like we only use a and an with the singular nouns and we cannot use them with the plural nouns. But in case of the, we can use the with both the singular as well as the plural nouns, and the can be used in number of ways. There are number of ways with which we can use the. So first of all, the is used before the proper nouns. Firstly, we have learned about the proper nouns. Proper nouns means specific names of people, places, animals, and things. Particular names we can say, special names we can say. So proper nouns like the name of mountain ranges, the name of rivers, the name of any monument like the Taj Mahal, and the name of newspapers, etc. For example, the Taj Mahal, I have already said the Nilgiri Hills, the Tribune, the Hindustan Times. So in this way we can use the with the proper nouns. Secondly, nouns that have already been talked about, that have already been talked about means we have already talked about something and we are repeating that thing again, we are talking about that thing again. Like in a sentence I have already mentioned something and again in the second sentence I am using the same thing, and for that same thing I'll be using the in front of that thing. For an example, let us clear this with the help of an example. Tulsi saw a beautiful bag. Now what Tulsi saw? Tulsi saw a beautiful bag. We are talking about a beautiful bag here. Now in the second sentence the bag is again repeated. Tulsi brought the bag. Now as we can see, the bag. Why the bag? Because bag is already given. Bag is all, we have already talked about the word bag in the previous sentence. Now she bought the bag. Why the bag? Because bag is already referred in the previous sentence. That is why the is used with the bag. Thirdly, nouns that refer to something specific, something particular. When we are talking about something particular, like any place, name of any place, the name of anything, like the book that I was reading. The book that I was reading means I was reading some particular book. I was reading some specific book, and I am mentioning about that book. Secondly, you can say the park near my house. Now there is only one park that is near to my house. That is why the is placed in front of park, because there is only one park that is near to my house. Now it is specific now, because near to my house means its location is specific, location is given specifically. Only one park is near to my house. That is why we have used the word the here, the article the here. Nextly, nouns that are already known or understood by the listener or reader. See, there are so many things that the listener or that the reader already knows, like the universe, the planets, the stars, the moon, the sun, and lot many things are present that some that the people already know. When we talk about these kind of things that are already known by people, then the is used with these kind of things, like the sun, the moon. Look at the moon, look at the stars, the moon, the stars. Now moon is already known, everybody knows about the moon, so that is why we have used the here with the moon, because moon is already known to everyone. Nextly, nouns that refer to the things that are one of a kind. That are one of a kind means that are particular, that are specific. As we can see there, there's only one sun in the universe. Only one sun means only one of a kind. That is why the sun. And the moon, similarly, only one moon is present now. Only one moon is there in the universe, no other moon is present. That is why we have put the article the in front of the moon, because it is one of a kind. Nextly, if we want to talk about any name of a country, that is including the words kingdom, state, or republic. Like some of the countries that have the specific words like kingdom, United Kingdom, United States of Kingdom, United States of America, United Kingdom, the Republic of China. Whenever we are using the name of these countries, then we use the article the in front of these countries. The United States of America, the United Kingdom, the Republic of China. Nextly, when we talk about the superlative degrees and the numerals means the counting numbers. So superlative means the greatest degree, like the highest mountain, the first row. Highest mountain is the highest is the superlative degree. So in front of highest, I have used the. Secondly, first row. We cannot say only first row, we'll say the first row, because the is a numeral, and in front of the numeral we always write or we always use the article the. Nextly, nouns that refer to a class or group of things or people means, now when there is a group of some, like group of people, group of animals, um, anything, group of things, then in front of these groups we use the article the, like the people of India, the people is a group of people, not only one person is there. People is a group of persons, so in front of people the would be there, because it is referring to a group of people or a class of people. Now we will fill in the blanks using the articles a, an, or the. We'll practice some sentences and we will come to know about the usage of a, an, or the. So in the first sentence, we can see this book is about dash solar system. As we know, there is only one solar system in the whole universe. So it is one of a kind. So with that, we will use the word the. So the first answer would be the. Secondly, Karan is dash nice person. Nice starts with the consonant N. So and moreover, one more thing is there, like it is only it is talking about only a singular person. So we will use a here. Dash price of tomatoes has increased. Now we are talking about the count, the numeric value. So the price of tomatoes. In the fourth sentence, you can see I need dash clean uniform to wear. Only one uniform we are talking about. And secondly, C is a consonant, so answer would be A. I need a clean uniform to wear. In the fifth sentence, we swam in dash Indian Ocean. We have already discussed that whenever there is a name of any specific newspaper, any specific mountain range, any specific ocean or river, then we use the in front of that. So Indian Ocean is specific, so we will use the in front of that. We swam in the Indian Ocean. Today is dash longest day of dash year. Today is the longest day of the year. Longest, why the? Because longest is the superlative degree, and the year with the, whenever we are writing year, always the is there. Name an animal, because animal starts with vowel a, so we'll write an in front of that. And name an animal that you love dash most. Now whenever there is superlative degree we will write the, so that you love the most. Dash chairman of dash committee gave a speech. The chairman, now why the chairman? Because chairman is a post, that is a higher post, that is why we are using the here. The chairman of the committee. Now committee is a particular thing, committee is a particular place, so we are using the over here. The chairman of the committee gave a speech. So I hope you have come to know about the usage of articles an and the. So this was all about the articles and the various type of articles. I hope you have learned properly about articles by watching this video. Thank you and have a nice day.